Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making pizza toast, a popular snack or meal in Japan. It's a super easy dish with almost no cooking involved, so absolutely anybody can make this. Melting cheese is one of the staple ingredients in everyday cooking in Japan and used often for pizza toast. It's a kind of processed cheese and melts extremely well with heat. But today we are using shredded mozzarella cheese as it's probably easier to find outside of Japan. For more information about the ingredients, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. Let's get started. Slice onion very thinly and cut green pepper thinly. Here we are using shishito, but Japanese bell pepper called piman is more commonly used, or you can just use whatever pepper you have. Cut ham into small strips, or you can use salami or pepperoni. In a small bowl, mix ketchup, mustard, and garlic together to make a sauce. Spread the sauce on the bread. We are using Japanese shokupan, but any toast bread will be fine. Put the shredded cheese on top and place vegetable and ham over the cheese. Bake in a toaster oven until cheese is nicely melted and bread is browned. You might not think this is Japanese food, but pizza toast has been quite popular for a quick lunch or snack in the afternoon. Try this especially for hungry kids after school, and they will love it.
美味しい。美味しいね。